Getting ready.
Leaving the farm. Oh, it looks like an Indian. Shoes untied. Uh-oh. Riding on board. It's probably the bitch. It's probably the people that call 911.